Hello and welcome to Brilliant You's Hello Moxie. This episode is a pretty potent one. It's all about the importance of resilience. If you are a powerhouse working woman, whether you are a business owner, CEO, creative type, you might even be raising kids. You are in the world contributing. We have our hands full. How do we do it? A lot goes into the maintenance of being unstoppable. And that is our episode this time. The Unstoppable You. It's about resiliency. How much life is going to hit you with a million things, challenges, disappointments. That's what life is all about. You get knocked down 8 times, but you get up 9. And why do you get up? Because you believe in what you're doing. You have passion, you have purpose, you have heart, intensity, drive, and you want to do it. So there are vital components that go into resiliency, and we're going to cover those today because every powerhouse lady needs to know how to meet those needs that she has on all levels to be her best self. So I'm featuring the best of the best, suggestions that have worked for me and my clients. But the real thing is figuring out what works for you. This is about reminders, reinforcements, ideas, affirmations to keep firing up yourself, powering the train. The newest motto or saying that I've had is, the train's coming through. So let's get to it.